Hi everyone, in today's video we want to show you how to use the XP Luminaire built-in scanning function. Have you ever started an embroidery project and suddenly the inner frame jumps out? This has happened to us all at some point. With the Brother XP Luminaire scanning function, this is no longer a problem. For this demonstration, we purposefully popped out our inner frame. As soon as you notice the inner frame has popped out, stop the machine and lift the needle if necessary. Remove the embroidery frame from the machine whilst trying to keep the fabric and stabilizer from moving. Place the embroidery frame on a flat surface. Slightly loosen the embroidery frame screw and press the inner frame back into place and tighten the screw again. Once the fabric and stabilizer are back in the frame, make sure to pull the fabric and stabilizer tight again. Properly tighten the embroidery frame screw by using the disc-shaped screwdriver if necessary. Replace the embroidery frame back into the embroidery arm of the embroidery machine. Take note of the number of stitches and thread color you are currently on, as you will have to move back to the beginning of the design to activate the scanning function. Select the forward back key and press the 0 key to revert the design back to the beginning. Continue to the fabric scan key just above layout. The scanning function menu will appear. Scroll down and select scan. The machine will ask you to affix a positioning sticker, also known as a snowman sticker. The projector will activate simultaneously, showing you where to affix the positioning snowman sticker. Attach the positioning sticker over the red projected positioning snowman and press OK to start scanning your fabric or embroidery design. Keep your hands away from the frame as it will start to move, searching for the positioning sticker. Your machine will let you know that the detection was successful and ask you to remove the positioning sticker to start scanning the background. Once you have removed the positioning sticker, select OK to complete the process. If you magnify the screen, you will be able to see the misalignment of the on-screen design and the design you have already stitched. Use the arrow move keys to move your on-screen design to the correct position. If it is necessary to rotate your design, click on the rotate keys to turn the design to the left or right. Once you are satisfied with the placement of your on-screen design, continue to the forward back key and jump forward to the number of stitches you were on before the inner frame popped out. You can jump forward an entire thread color by selecting the down arrow until you reach the number of stitches you are on. You can also move forward by selecting either the +1, +10, +100 or +1000 forward stitch keys. If you wish to turn off the background image scanned earlier, close the forward back key menu and select the fabric scan key again. When the menu appears, select the off key. Close the fabric scan menu and select the layout key to view the thread color changes to continue the design. Continue to embroider the design and marvel in the joy of a perfectly aligned design. We were busy with the in the hoop design from Embroidery Library. When placing the back panel on to close the pouch, remember to open the zip before stitching the last thread color. It is such a joy completing projects we previously thought were ruined. Please remember to like, share and subscribe to our channels for more tutorial tips and videos.